So this is a true story. I'm going to tell you why it's so important that you surround yourself with the right people, especially for those of you that are in reentry or coming out of the prison industry. So I'm Mitchell H. People that know me know I run, I'm in the transitional housing business. That includes reentry, people that are coming from prison because they're funded. So I like that. So anyway, let me tell you a true story about someone that came into my facility. So she was doing good. She came out of prison. She had an addiction, so she was in treatment. She was doing well for the first 3 months. Her rent was paid in full for 6 months, so which is good and giving her time to get on her feet. So that's how the arrangement goes. She actually sued the prison facility that she stayed in and got $250,000. She got that $250,000. So she's looking at, hey, I can't say where I am or where we were located because I don't want to give away her business. But she originally lived in the state next to the state where my facility is in. And she had an ankle monitor on her. So she was not allowed to leave the area at all. So when she got that money, she was married. She wasn't allowed to have any contact with her husband. Or no face-to-face. So they can talk on the phone, but no face-to-face. So that means that he had some dirt on him also. From what I understand, he also had an addiction problem. So when she got that money, she started acting up. So I had the police kick the door in one night looking for her at 3 a.m. So one of the other girls called me and said, hey, the police are here. They were looking for her because she cut off her ankle monitor. She went to go see. Out of nowhere, I stopped seeing her. Now, let me just give you some backstory. So she had a feeling her man was cheating on her, right? That's what she had a feeling, he was cheating on her. So here you are, you're out of prison, you got a second chance in life, and you're chasing this clown around, right? Chasing this bozo around. Long story short, I stopped seeing her for like a whole 2 months. And I'm like, what happened? I'm calling her parole officer. He's not responding to me at all. He's not telling me a thing. I decide, so my girlfriend tells me, hey, why don't you look her up on the internet and see? I Google her and it comes up, her mugshot. She has a black eye. She violated her parole. She cut her monitor off. She went to the state where he was in to confront a woman that he wound up ODing with. They were doing dirt. He OD'd. He survived, but she went to go fight the woman. And now she's back finishing the remainder of her sentence. Be careful who you surround yourself with, especially those of you who have made mistakes and out here in the world again, and even those of you who have not. Where it can land you running with the wrong people or making bad decisions. Now, as a manager, I can also tell another story of a young woman who on my team got fired running after some bozo because the woman he was cheating on her with went live on Facebook showing that they were out together. But anyway, I don't want to ramble on. I'd like to know your feedback on this story. If you want me to tell you any other stories about this industry, or if you're interested in getting in this industry, it's a lucrative business. For one, think about it. All these industries we're hearing funds are being cut from, you never hear about the prison industry losing any funding. In fact, funding is increasing. 500,000 people are released from prison every year. That means a lot of them need a place to stay. And you can actually make a good living housing those people. So if you want to know how to get into that business, you can go to my website below.